Om Namah Shivaya. Welcome to the How to Practice Sun Salutations video. My name is Michael Hutkins, and I'll guide you through it. In this video, we'll learn how to practice the classical Hatha Yoga Sun Salutations. This is an exercise meant to warm up the entire body, lubricate all the muscles and all of the joints. It's a meditative practice done with the breathing to help focus the mind as well. Enjoy the practice. So now we'll demonstrate one round of the sun salutation, and then we'll break it down for you. I'm not going to talk as I do it. You can simply observe. So that's one round leading with the right foot, and then you do one round leading with the left foot. We're going to break it down, starting with the floor part of the sun salutation. So you can watch first, and then go ahead and give it a try. We'll start in the plank push-up position, and lowering to the ground, we bring the knees down, the chest between the hands, hips squished up, chin or forehead down. Slide forward, lengthen the spine, head up, chest up, tuck in the toes, hips up, push down with the heels. One more time, forward into a plank. We'll lower the knees. We want to bring the chest down between the hands. For some people at first, the arms aren't strong enough, and then they have to come a little more forward and lower the hips first, and then the chest and head, and that's okay to start. Over time, we can arch the back a little more and bring the chest between the hands. Slide forward, head up, chest up, lifting with my back, a little bit with the hands, tuck in the toes, hips up, press into the hands, heels down. So let's try that together a couple times with the breathing. So in the plank, deep breath in, exhale down, knees, chest, forehead if you can. Inhale, slide forward and arch the back. Tuck in the toes, exhale, hips up, push into the hands, push the heels down. Again, forward to the plank. So we'll take a breath in. Exhale, knees, chest, forehead down, elbows tucked in. Inhale, slide forward, head up, chest up, tuck in the toes, exhale, hips up, heels down. Very good. We can lower the knees to take a rest. And now we'll look at the standing portion. So I'll demonstrate this. Standing tall, palms together. Reach up. We always lengthen first. If it's comfortable, arms back, gently arch back. Bend at the waist, stretch forward as you come down. Now we'd like to at least touch the ground, fingers in line with the toes. If you don't reach, bend the knees till you can at least touch. Some people get the palms down. You can keep the legs straight. To come up, arms in front, reach forward, reach up, gently back, arms by the sides. Let's try that a couple times now. So standing tall, deep breath in. Exhale, palms together in front of the chest. Inhale, reach up and gently back. Exhale, reach forward as you come down, hands by the feet. So you might have to bend the knees. See if you can reach the ground, fingers in line with the toes. Arms in front. Inhale, forward. Reach up. Gently back. Exhale, release. One more time. Inhale. Exhale, palms together. Inhale, reach up. Lengthen the spine, gently back. Exhale, forward. Hands by the feet. Bend the knees if you need to. Relax the neck. And inhale, reach out. Reach up tall, gently back. Exhale, arms down. And we'll do it again. This time we're going to add a step. Inhale deeply. And exhale, palms together. Inhale, stretch up and gently back. Exhale, forward and down, hands by the feet. It's important to be able to touch the ground. Bend the knees if you need. Now, right leg, inhale back, knee on the mat, toes point back, look up. And then tucking in the toes, exhale, push off. The foot comes forward, head down. Inhale, forward, up and back. Exhale, release. Let's do it with the other leg. Inhale. Exhale, palms together. Inhale, reach up and back. Exhale, forward and down. Your left leg back. Inhale. Knee down, toes back, look up. Then tuck in the toes. Exhale, push off. Step your foot forward, head down. Arms in front. Inhale, reach out. Up and back. And arms by the sides. Good. Now we're going to put everything together. Deep breath in. And exhale, palms together in front of the chest. Inhale up and gently back. And exhale, forward and down, hands by the feet. Right leg back. Inhale. Knee down, head up. Hold the breath. Step your other leg back. Push-up position, straight line. And now we know what to do. Exhale, knees, chest, and head. Inhale forward and arch your back. Tuck in the toes. Exhale, hips up, heels down. Now we want to bring the right foot forward. That's a big step. So let's step the right foot all the way between the hands. Oh, it didn't make it. So we put the left knee down, and with the right hand, you can bring the foot up a little bit more. If it comes too far up, it'll be hard to step forward. So at first, you can bring it partway up to the hands. Looking up, breathe in, and tuck in the toes. Exhale, the other foot forward, head down. Arms in front. Inhale, reach out. Reach up, gently back. And lower the arms. Exhale. Other leg now. Inhale. And exhale, palms together. Inhale, stretch up and back. Exhale, forward and down. Left, inhale back. Knee down, head up. Hold the breath. Step your other leg back. Push-up position. Exhale, down, knees, chest, forehead. Inhale forward, head up, chest up. Tuck in the toes. Exhale, hips up high. Left foot, big step. Inhale, right knee down. And if the foot doesn't come up, bring it up a little bit. Exhale, the other foot also. Head down. Arms out in front. Inhale, up, gently back. And slowly lower the arms by the sides. A few deep breaths. So now you've seen how to practice the sun salutations. Try to practice a little bit every day to energize your body, to keep all the joints healthy, all the muscles healthy, and to focus the mind. As you go through, you'll see after a few weeks, the body starts to change. The exercises get easier. It gets easier to breathe with the exercises. It's normal that it's hard to breathe with the movements at first. So take your time, be patient. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments. And there's also other videos I have on the YouTube of how to adapt the sun salutation using a chair for those that need some help with their mobility. Om Namah Shivaya.